Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is very exciting because I'm doing a collab with Cherryz. So Cherryz, if you don't know, is a shopping site where you can get like different items from cleaning to homeware to makeup, anything really, you name it, to food, it's on there. So I thought I'd show you what I picked up from Cherryz. I do have a discount code, so if you've ordered before, this won't apply to you. So it's just for people that haven't ordered from Cherryz before. So you go onto the app, have a look. I recommend the app rather than the site, just because there's more products on the actual app. So you need to download the Cherryz app, browse through, add things to your basket, and once you're happy, at the checkout, add Christina P20 and you will receive 20% off your first order. Everything and all the details will be linked in the description. My discount code will be on screen. So it's Christina P20 to get 20% off your first order, all in capitals. All this information will be linked down below, and also there'll be a link to the Cherryz website and also a link to download the app as well. You can use the discount code online or on the app, whatever suits you best. I just recommend personally using the app to browse because there's more products to see. And I feel like it's exclusive on more exclusive products on the app. But yeah, so anyway, so that's that bit over. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. This is just a collaboration. So they kindly sent me these products and I thought I'd share them with you, and you get a discount as well, so you benefit from this. So yeah, right, so I've just opened the box. I haven't seen what's inside. This is what the box looks like. Cherryz. It just says on the box, everyday essentials for less, which is actually true. The pricing on Cherryz is great. So it's a bit like, you can't get everything on there, obviously. So like food wise, it's like snacks more than actual food. Homeware is a bit of everything, bit of bits and bobs. I've got some Christmas decorations to show you guys, so I'm really excited. And I also picked up a mug. But anyway, we'll do an unboxing and show you. But just remember, if you're a first time buyer on this site, then you do get a good discount code of 20% off, which is Christina P20, all in caps. But like I said, everything will be linked down below. So let's start unboxing this massive box. Like, look how big this box is. Oh, it's literally so big and it's so heavy. So we've got a lot. I've got a lot to show you. I was debating whether to do this in a vlog and then put everything away. But I decided, you know what, we'll do a haul because it's my first time buying from them as well. I've heard good things about them. I have heard of them before. I just personally haven't used their site. But hopefully I will now use them a lot more and, yeah, have a reoccurring order. But you get a lot of paper to protect the products that you have. Just chuck that over there. So I'm going to start off with the food items I picked up. I didn't pick up that many food items, but I did want to try some bits. I was restraining myself from picking up more food, to be fair. But I picked up these. They're called Skinny Whip. I picked up the chocolate orange because chocolate orange is my favourite flavour. And these are only it says less than 99 calories. So per bar, there's 98 calories. So it's not less than. Well, it is actually. What am I on about? I don't know what's going on today. So these are actually 98 calories. That's why it says less than 99. But anyway, yeah, I picked these up. I haven't tried these before. And they also come in different flavours, which they also have on the Cherryz app. So it's double chocolate, strawberry and chocolate, mint and dark chocolate, and toffee and chocolate. And these were only £1, I believe, off Cherryz, so I'm excited to try them. Yeah, chocolate orange is my favourite, and I wanted like a healthy snack. I also picked up some iced coffee sachets. Look like this. Just some iced coffee. This is the white chocolate flavour, so we'll see what that tastes like. White chocolate, so we'll try them. Let's actually just open these. see what they look like, because I've never seen iced coffee. Oh, okay. So it's just a little sachet like that. These were also £1, around £1. So these will be interesting to try. And then obviously I had to pick up my favourite chocolate. These were £1 as well. And it's just some giant chocolate orange buttons. So if you don't know me, then chocolate orange is my favourite type of chocolate. I love orange chocolate. It's so yummy. And these are my new obsession, the chocolate orange buttons. And they had them on the site, so I was like, got to get some of them because they are so freaking nice. So next up, I did pick up some cleaning products. Nothing too exciting on this front. So I picked up some drain sticks. So to clean the like the sink plug holes and also like the bathroom plug holes. Just feel like they need doing. So I picked these up. I believe these were like 90p or something. I can't remember. So I was like, I'll pick you up because why not? And also I picked up some Fabulosa disinfectant in the smell lemon mint leaf. So this just looks like this. I use like disinfection in the kitchen all the time. I want to spray it, smell it. It would help if you turn it on. Oh, oh. Oh, that smells nice. That smells lemony. So yeah, I'm excited to have a little clean of the kitchen with that. And then I also picked up some beauty products just because, not gonna lie, I did think a lot of the products that I picked up were a lot bigger, but that's probably my fault for not reading the description. But I thought this was a big bottle, like 500ml, but it's 250ml. So I picked up a Luxe shower gel because I ran out and I couldn't be able to go to Superdrug. So I ordered the Luxe one. I was debating whether to get, there was something else that was Luxe as well, but I decided not to. Oh, it smells nice. So yeah, just the Luxe brand. And this is in the scent Floral Fusion. So this will be nice. So yeah, picked up some shower gel. And I also, which I was quite surprised to see on their site, they had a few NYX products. I don't know if you're a makeup fan like me, but NYX is quite a well-known brand. So I only picked up the one just because I wasn't sure on the shades and things. So I picked this up. This, I'm just undoing it because I feel like I need to swatch a bit on my hand for you guys. I think this is a liquid lipstick or lip stain, potentially. There we are. That sound is so satisfying when you actually can get into a blooming product. Okay, so it's a liquid. What is going on today? It's a NYX liquid suede metallic matte lipstick. So it just looks like this. I'm gonna undo it. It looks like this. I just thought this is a perfect shade for the like Christmas months. So that's the colour it comes out as. So imagine that on my lips at Christmas. I think that's a win-win. And it's matte, so yeah, I picked that up. I think that was around £6. I can't fully remember. And then the biggest section of this haul is homeware. So I went a bit mad in the homeware section on Cherryz. Like I said, some of the things I did think were bigger. So from that saying that, we're going to start off with them products. So I picked up 3 candles. From my own fault, I thought these were big and they were going to replace my Yankee candles. These are actually a medium size. They're still very nice. I would still recommend because they were literally £1. I did wonder why they were quite cheap, but I'm going to take... I just thought the packaging of these looked so nice. I think they do have bigger ones, but I thought these were them for some reason. So I picked up lavender. Smells like lavender. Smells very floral. So that's one. I also picked up vanilla cream. And this is by the Candle Factory, which I have heard of before. Oh, this smells so nice. Vanilla is one of my favourite scenting candles. So I picked that up. So yeah, these were really to replace my Yankee candle because it ran out the other day. But I'm still going to use them. They're going to go on my windowsill, I think. And the last one I picked up was Berry Royal. This one is very sweet, so we'll see what that smells like when it's lit as well. Yeah, berry candle pound. So if you're looking for some candles that are very cheap, Cherryz is actually pretty good on the candle front, but do read the description to see the size of the candles and don't make the same mistake as I did. But they also have branded ones on there as well. So I think they had like drumstick, they had a few diffusers, they had love hearts, they had jelly bean or jelly baby, I can't remember what it is, but them candles, I was debating whether to get them, but I was like, I'm gonna not, because I wanted 3 kind of exactly the same, if that makes sense. And I just thought these look quite nice, so that's why I went for them ones. I also picked up a mug. I was expecting this to be beige, to be honest, and not blue. So yeah, I did order the beige one, and for some reason I got the blue one. So I'm a bit disappointed at that, but I'm not gonna send this back. I'm probably gonna give this as a present or something instead, because it's a very nice cup. I'm just gutted that it's not in my colour, because I wanted this for like filming videos and things to go with my aesthetic. But yeah, they unfortunately sent me the wrong colour. I think it was just a mistake, to be honest, or if they ran out. But yeah, got a mug. This was very affordable as well. I think this was like £3 or something along them lines. But if you like the colour blue, this is actually a very nice mug. And it's a very decent size. I might go on there and order the other one and hope for the best. Or I might just email them and say I ordered this but received this and see what they say, because normally the company is very helpful. Also, for the Christmas side of things, last year I wanted, and I could not find for the life of me, like little pots to put like nuts and nibbles in at Christmas time, and I was so freaking happy to find this on the Cherryz website. So it's called a tapas serving board. However, I'm not going to be using this for tapas because I don't really eat tapas. But as you can see on the picture, it's got like olives. It looks like the tomatoes or the chilies with cheese in. And then it also has tomatoes on the side here. But I just really needed this last year. And I know I'm going to get use out of it. And I just think they're good size. It comes with the board, which I love. So that can go in my living room at Christmas with all the different nuts in it. Like one with like, you know, the chocolate chips. Oh, anyone else can't wait for Christmas. I love Christmas food as well. So yeah, just pick this up. It's very cute. It's actually quite, just dropped the box. That's quite deep as well. So it's a good size. And this was only £7. And I've been wanting this for, like, I've been looking for something like this for ages. If you're looking for certain homeware things, then I definitely recommend looking on Cherryz for like these kind of things, because they're really good. Like, I recommend this so much. It's actual wood, and these are actually, they're not plastic, they're ceramic. Yeah, this was one of the favourite things that I picked up out of the whole haul. And speaking of Christmas, Cherryz have some Christmas decorations on that are pretty cheap. I went for 2 Christmas decorations, which will hopefully go on my windowsill through the Christmas period in the kitchen, but obviously you'll see where I actually put them. I was wanting like the housing scenes that you get in the garden centre for a while. However, I just couldn't justify paying the cost, and also like I'm in a masonette, so there's not many places for me to put like, so when I move house, different story. Like my Christmas is gonna be everywhere in the house, but because I don't have like any stands or anywhere to put things, because my house is quite small, I haven't brought anything like this. So I decided to go with these off Cherryz, and these are the final products of this haul, but it's the Christmas light scenes. So they had a variety on there. Obviously everything that I mentioned below will be linked in the description, so if you want to go and check them out, you can. But also like they have light up scenes, so I picked 2 different ones. I went for the toy shop version, and also these are the same boxes, but they're not actually the same products, I don't think. I went for the toy shop version, and I went also for the Santa that's standing in the porch. But I'm gonna just open them and show you what they look like. So this one's the Santa that is in the porch. These were £5 each, so very affordable. I think these need batteries because they do light up. So I'll go and find the batteries in a minute once I've showed you. How cute is this? Like, this is so cute. It does light up as well, but look at that. Is anyone giving you Christmas vibes? I thought this was going to look quite cheap, but I'm presently I can't speak today. Pleasantly surprised at this. So it's got Santa in there, and then his little house and a Christmas tree. And I just thought that would be cute to go in the kitchen to add a bit of Christmas touch. So that's going to go on one side of the kitchen for some Christmas decor. Let me know what you think, or where I could put this as well. They do light up, so I don't think it comes with batteries. So at the back it just pops up, and then it fits AA batteries ×3 in them. So I'm going to go and see if I've got any and show you what it looks like light up, because I would love to see what it does look like lit up. And then let's open the other one as well. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed with these. I just think they're so cute. So this is the Toy Factory one. So it's got 3 teddies on the front, says toys. How cute are they? They're so cute, and they're only £5. Like, they have more different varieties of them, but I just went for these 2. Because how cute. They are the same size, by the way, as well. Just think they're cute to go on either side of the kitchen. How cute. So I'm really happy with them. Again, they were £5 each. What a bargain. Just need to go and see if I can find some AA batteries. I've got a feeling we don't have any, but let me go and check. Unfortunately, I can't find any batteries to fit in these cute little Christmas houses. So you're gonna have to subscribe and stay tuned for all the Christmas content this year, and then you'll see them lit up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see those houses lit up at Christmas time, and to see how I style all of these items. And you'll also see this probably in a video coming soon. So please hit that subscribe button, as it would really help my channel grow. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you liked it. Like I said, if you're a first time buyer at Cherryz, you'll get 20% off using the code Christina P20, all in caps. Everything will be linked down below that I mentioned in this video. Go ahead and download the app and start browsing now, because I'm sure you'll find something that you love, whether it be household, makeup, Christmas decorations and more. There's so much on there at a great value for your money. So do go ahead and check it out. I'm actually obsessed. I'm probably going to go and order some more things now. But let me know if you like this video, and like I said, everything's going to be linked in the description below for you to go and check out and download the app and all that good jazz. Please also follow me on Instagram, as I post daily over there. So if you miss me, then you can go and hit that Instagram handle up and go and follow me, Christina_Parmiter, or TikTok is Christina Parmiter. I'm on there daily, I'm on the hype. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you like this video, and I was so happy to be working with Cherryz on this. Like I said, I'm not getting paid. It was just gifted to me. So I was really happy about that. But yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you on Sunday, guys. Bye!